Alrighty, still the 22nd of May, and this is just too comical to pass up. So the boys up the hill just got a delivery of some copper, and the copper is 20 feet long. The door is 12 feet wide. The copper has to go down the building 200 feet to they're going through the north door. There's a south door where the copper actually goes through. And so far they've been up there 15 minutes trying to figure out how to get 20-foot copper through a 12-foot wide door. Oh my God. And I guarantee you, they'll be up there another hour thinking about what they got to do to get 20-foot copper through a 12-foot door. It's just comical. Absolutely comical. And if I go up there and suggest to them how to do it the correct way, they'll ignore me. Oh, we just told to do it like this. Well, y'all just go ahead and knock yourselves out. So anyway, I'm still up here piddling, and I moved my long handle tool holders I had in the wall in here out to my little chicken house, and moved my long handle tools out there to use that little chicken house as a extra storage building. Kind of handy. So I'll sit here and watch the boys up the hill try to figure out how to get that copper through that narrow door. That's all for this one. Thank you.